Yo, 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 yo. What I can, bro. Strange. So why the frick? There I am. Hello, 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 hello. What's up, what's up, what's up? Yo, 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 yo. Where's the sound coming from? Strange. Really strange. I don't know where the sound's coming from. It's not here, right? No. Okay. Strange. Really strange. Okay, okay, okay. No one in the chat. Let's go. Okay, okay. So I think I'm gonna do this. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Yeah. It's been a while since I streamed. I think it was like 1 year ago or something like that, using Unity engine. But now I'm trying Godot because I'm sick of Unity. With their changing licenses and stuff, you know. The Unity runtime fee was crazy. Really crazy. Really crazy. So if I do like this, okay, then it disappears. Oh. Whoa. if I want to see it. Okay, like this. Do like this. Oh, and then maybe like this maybe. Or maybe like this. Maybe we can squeeze this in somewhere. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Abo, no, no. Why? Why? Okay, over there. And this. Where can I put you? Oh yeah, I like this. I do think. Okay. So I got this clickable box, and I got the ground laying up, and eventually enemy will come, the CEO, and they will try to add monetization to this game and battle pass and so on. So that's the main plot for this game. So I'm gonna send this to a game jam on itch.io. Stop Killing Game community game jam. And I've started with this like 2 days ago. I made the music and the sound effects and yeah, the whole shebang. But this is like one of the first projects I've ever made in Godot, and I started last week. So it's kind of tough to get into the engine and do all the stuff that I want to do. It's gonna take some time. Okay, so how should I get this duels to be seen? Like, I don't know, bro. Okay. Well, oh, I guess I have to switch between, maybe go like this. I'm gonna need that one, I think, and this as well. Maybe switch like, yeah, like this. It's not the best way. I need to see the chat somehow. Oh. What is has the? There we are. There we are. Doing like this. And then like this. So now I can see the chat. I need to get like one of those pop-up so I can see the messages from chat. I need to get one of those so I can see the chat on a separate window, on a small window that I can have next to the window with Godot, so I don't have to switch like apps. Okay, so what do I want to do? I want to check this layer. Yeah, like these, because this layer should not be visible at start. It should look like this. Okay, so I will make a new window as well, so you can see the game. At the moment you can't see the game, and I noticed it a bit late. Windows capture. Debug. Godot debug. Okay. And then I'll choose debug, maybe. Yeah, debug. Okay. So why? It should be visible now, right? Or is this the wrong debug? Maybe it's the wrong debug. Or is it not visible because of what? It should be visible, right? So maybe this is not the right debug. This is the one, right? What? What the hell? This should be. So that was the what? So now it's okay. So if I do like this, but what if I put play, press play, and then is this gonna show the game? Like why does this not show the game? It should show the game. Why? Capture cursor, click, debug. This is not it, right? Why can't you see the game? So strange. So if I can't see the game now either. God damn it. So how will I fix this? This is a window. Okay, I gotta use this. Right? Now it should work. Right? Okay, now it disappeared for some reason. That's strange. Maybe I will choose this one. Where are you, bro? What? This is so strange, bro. This is super strange. Why can't you see the game? It's really strange. I can't understand it. Maybe. Well, I don't know. I just don't know. So strange, bro. Okay. So. Okay. So this window is here. Like, maybe I can make it a bit like this, maybe. Why doesn't it show? Okay. So, remote deploy. Okay, if I press F6, it will go like this, and it won't show. God damn it! Why? Automatic. Why do I have two different debugs? That's also kind of strange, bro. Really strange. I don't understand. Okay, so we get what the okay, I will delete this. Okay, and now at the moment we only have one window of Godot, and that seems to be right. Video file, no. Okay, so I go like this. Okay, it's debug mode, and in OBS now we should be okay. I'm gonna add a source, video capture device. It should just be game capture. Maybe I can use this. Okay. Okay, now it's working. Hey! Now you can see the game. Congratulations to all of my one viewers. Okay, now you can see the game. That's good. That's actually really good. Okay, so skis. What about maybe I should increase the volume of the SFX maybe. Yeah, I should increase the volume a bit. I should increase the volume a bit. Okay, where did I put the volume for this one? Maybe inside the box. So this one is coin playing, and this is okay. This is the so maybe now. Stream working. Oh, it's a double. Oh. What? TV is closing and my mic is falling. Don't follow me. We are back. this game capture thing is kind of sus, bro. Because now it's like it's changed to this, to the D, to the Godot, to the Godot. Like it's wrong, bro. It's wrong. They should only show. This window should only show the debug window. That's really strange. So what if I play again? Now? Are you showing me? No, you're not showing me. Why? 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 Okay. So maybe I need to do like this. And maybe do like... So now it's showing this. So if I change to 3D scene, yeah, it's a 3D scene, okay. And what if I will play to this? Will you show this? No, you won't show it. God damn it. God damn it, bro. Game capture 2. Full screen. And why are there two? There should only be this. Strange, bro. That is strange. Okay. Okay. And now, yeah, you're still there. You're still there. Okay. So we get this. So if I click, I can upgrade, and now I get 3 points per click, or 3 clicks per 1 click. And after 20, I will get 4 clicks per 1 click. Yeah. And if I press this, will I get like 8? Whoa. I got like 13. Okay. So this should be 220. Yeah, okay. So I'll have a multiplier on there. Aight. Okay, upgrade. Keep on upgrading, brr. And then I upgrade again. And if I reach like 1K, maybe then something new should happen. Okay, so now I'm starting to get bored. Okay, something else needs to happen now. So if I reach 1K, probably need to have those like CEOs to show up from the horizon here. And so I need a 3D model of a CEO, and I also need a script for the model to move in this direction, and then eventually the CEO will smack a button, a shop button to this game, like so. Because they implemented monetization to the game, and bam. Bam lamb. Okay. So and if I press play, will the window show? Can we see the game? Yes, we can. Perfect. I think the setup is actually working. Okay. So we have the clickable box. And somewhere here we will have the CEO. So the CEO will walk here slowly. And then when it comes here, maybe you do a thing or throw something at it, or and then the button will appear. The shop button will appear, and then even the no ads will appear. So to bring on some monetization to the game. There's still no one in the chat. Kind of sucks, bro. Kind of boring. I need some viewers to interact with. Okay, so I will start. Maybe I will start add a 3D object. I will go with CSG. We can use cylinder maybe. Okay. Maybe like this and like that. And like this and no. And not this and like that and like this and no. So how will I do this in GD script? That's a good question. Because I don't freaking know. CEO. Okay, CEO. And yeah, CEO. Okay, so we have this script right here. Do we need to call it on? So how do we do this? Not export. On ready? I think it is. On ready. I do believe. Oh yeah. Sorry, I can do it like this. I think it starts with on ready, right? Already. Okay. So it's a variable with some data in it. So what can I call it here? I can call it CEO 3D. And then what will I do then? Then I will call it. Do I need to call? Yeah, a vector 3. Yeah, it's a vector 3. Okay. vector 3. And then what? Do I need to set like assign? No, not need to assign. Maybe where it is. So the position maybe, or yeah, the get node. I think so. It's like this. Get node, and then maybe root slash main slash CO. Can I do it like this? Or have I forgot something? Maybe we can't have vector 3 in a variable? Yeah, you should get right. You should. Scroll label. It's a label, but this is okay. So yeah, okay. So do like. So what do I need to have first? I need to have that one, and then what it is, then this. I think I've done this right. Is it in a canvas layer? No, it's not. It's only in main. So what's the... Can I assign a value of type node to variable? Okay. So what is it then? This is... What's the right thing here? Okay, so if it's a float, it's a float. A vector 3 then... So it can't be vector 3? No. It probably can't. Var 3D. Maybe I just... No, maybe I don't need to do this at all. Already var. It's a button, bro. Okay. So... Okay, do like this. Okay, so you can't do it with vector 3. Okay, I understand. So what should I have then? Like nothing? Like this? This looks wrong, bro. Because the already is good too. It's good to have to... Okay. So what if I want to do some 3D stuff? Bro. I need to check the Godot docs. Okay. Okay. Now I can do the whole thing, right? Better. So if I do like this, we will see the web browser, right? Yeah. Okay. 3D workspace. Okay. So yeah, I need to go to the scripting. So where can I find about the 3D stuff? Maybe here. Get a reference to a node by calling the node get node. Yeah, I have this method. Must be present in the scene 3, getting it in the parent node's ready function. Okay. Var sprite. Okay, var camera. Okay. Func ready sprite get node sprite 2D. Okay, so I can call them in a function that's ready. Okay. So basically I could do this in this way. So I could do like only like this. Var CEO, and then I could have the function, the ready function, like the start. Shield bar. Okay, so if this is in somewhere, it's not in somewhere, so it could be directly. It's in a main node, right? So that's the player, and then we do like this. It's inside a player. Okay, but this is inside main. So if it's inside main, then maybe I can just do like func ready ready, and then go okay, we need those semicolon, and then go get node, or what was it? Yeah, the name, and then get node. Okay. So CEO get node, CEO, right, like that. So maybe I did it right the first time. I just had a spelling error. Maybe I did it right. So on ready var CEO, that's vector 3. Maybe I can't do this. And then get node, root main CEO this. Yeah, I could have done it like this. Okay, so then I don't need this, right? Okay, now this is wrong. Okay, what if I take this away then? Maybe if I do like this and this. Oh no, that's wrong. Okay. So I can't do it like that. I can do it like this, and then I can do it like this. Delete this file, delete this line. Okay, so this I can do. And now, so there's I have initialized the variable CEO. We have like a start method or a function that calls the underscore ready, and then CEO get node CEO. So now it knows where the CEO is, and if it exists. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I could have like this. Okay. So we're going somewhere. We're going places. No, I can just do like, I can have another window up. We're gonna add web browser. We're gonna add web browser. In this case, it's Chrome. Yeah. And then no, and then. So what if I take this window down? Yeah, okay. So this works, right? Yeah. And then I take it down. Yeah, this should work. This should work. Right. Okay. This is kind of hard, bro. So we have this one. As with file paths, you can use ... to get a parent node. The best practice is to avoid doing that, though, not to break encapsulations. So I can get parent node. You can also start a path with a / to make it absolute, in which case your topmost node would be root. The application's predefined root viewport. Yeah. So this is the way I go with it. I don't go into it like this, but you could also do it like this. So I'm wondering, like, why should I not have it like absolute? Because it's always going to be / root and then / main or whatever you choose, and then the first node. That's strange. That's strange, bro. Yeah. And the onReady. Yeah, I will initialize this before the ready callback. So in which case, oh, I can just do it like this. The $, onReady var $. Okay. Yeah. So that's the way. Okay, the dollar sign thing is actually quite neat. Yeah, yeah, I will go with the dollar sign. I will go with the dollar sign instead. So in this case, we could actually do like this. Could go with the dollar sign. Where are you, bro? Not there. You're here. Yep. Like this. Okay. So dollar sign. Dollar sign. Short notation. Okay. Short notation. This is a good way to learn things. Okay, so I can do like this. So in the initialization, I just mentioned like it's a variable and its name is CEO. And on like the ready function, we just like declare that CEO is equal to $CEO, which is the right place of this node. Okay. So over here, up here, do I want to get this on the first like call or first frame, or that's the question. Firstly, putting the at on ready annotation before a member variable makes it initialize right before. Should it be initialized right before? That's the question. And I can also create a new sprite 2D. That's neat. To delete a node and free it from memory, you can call it queue_free. Doing so queues the node for deletion at the end of the current frame after it has finished processing. At this point, the engine removes the node from the scene and frees the object in memory. Okay. And you can also alternatively call free to immediately destroy the node. You should do this with care, as any reference to it will instantly become null. I recommend using queue_free unless you know what you're doing. Basically queue_free. Yep. So instancing scenes. Okay, I don't think I need to do this at the moment. Scene instantiate, add child instance. You can keep a packed scene loaded and create new instances on the fly. Okay. So okay. So yeah, this is like the basic stuff. Enter tree and the pass to just keep the function here, but it basically do nothing. Exit tree. Called when the node is about to leave the scene tree. After all its children receive the exit tree callback. Okay. Yeah. enter tree, called every time the node enters the scene tree. Public override void ready. So it's a public override. Okay. So, okay. How? I think I'm gonna need some help. Okay, so I got this 3D object, and I just want it to move in a direction. And what kind of direction then? What kind of direction? Maybe we will see like here. So it's moving. This is on the set, the C. How do you say it? C. Set. The set axis. Yeah. Okay. So it will move on the C or set axis. C axis, set axis from 0 to 10. How do we script this in GD script? Okay, animate movement in Godot using the tween for smooth control animations, or by directly modifying the position in process or physics process for a continuous movement. Given you want it to move from 0 to 10 on the z-axis, a tween is often the cleanest solution for a one-shot or easily repeatable animation. Okay, so maybe I should go with tween. Method 1, using a tween. Okay, yeah. Export or move duration. Okay. So here I can change the, yeah. And then I can choose the target on the set axis. Initial position vector 3. Okay. Store the initial position to return to if needed. Okay, yeah. From 0 to 10, ensure your object's initial set is 0 in the editor, yeah. Or set it here if you want the script to force the start. Initial position, global position. So the global position is where the 3D object actually is set to. So I could put set equal to 0. Initial position, yeah, dot set equal 0.0. Global position, initial position. Yeah. Start the movement automatically when the scene is ready. Move object. Okay. I will try to do this. All right. So first we will have the export var. We don't need this. Export var variable and then a vector 3 at the start, or move duration. Okay, and then float. Yeah, it's a float, yeah. Direction, right? Duration. Yeah, duration. Okay, so this is like time. Okay. Duration float, and then equals to 2.0. Okay. Now we're going places. And then target set position. Okay, yeah. On the set axis it should go to 10. Yeah. Also float. Okay. Target set position, and then yeah. Float equals to 10.0. I need to have it like this. Okay. Now this is kind of and then var initial position is a vector 3. Yeah, true. So CEO no, we'll do it like this. Initial position, was it equal to vector 3? No, it's a vector 3 like this. I think. Yeah, vector 3. Okay, so we're initial position equals to global position. Okay. And then should I always? Okay, I will do this. I will have an initial position. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Position dot c set equals to 0.0. Yeah, equals to 0.0. Okay. Do we need to have the global position equals to initial position? Because we already have it up here. So the initial is the global one. And then we say the global one is the initial one. I don't know if we need this. Move object to set 10. Okay, and then we need to have a function for that. And this is the tween. To get the position, the global on the X, Y, and Z. Okay. We will start the movement then, I think. position, right? Like this. And then we need to have a function move object to see position position and then is it like this or no? Is it like this and then no? What was it then? It's like this and then void. Okay. Void. Should this go away? No? It should be there. Okay, 10 also. Yeah, but I don't. Yeah, I just. Okay. We don't need that. Tween. Create tween. So. Like this. And then we have a tween. And the var is the variable tween, create tween. Okay. Equals to create tween. And then what we need then? What do we need then? Okay. You can comment this out if the objects are already positioned. Yeah, we already have the initial position. So maybe I don't need that one. I don't know. Do I need a global position on this one? Because here we know the initial one is here, so the initial position is equal to the global. So over here, but this is in another function. This is where I get somewhere confused. But maybe I should do this anyway. Maybe I just should do this. Global position dot set equals to 0.0. So now we know that. And then what do we do? Okay, we need to know the final position. Yeah. Just need to get some water. BRB. Sing hallelujah. Sing hallelujah. Oh yeah. Oh. Don't forget to hydrate. It's crucial. Freaking crucial. A couple of years ago, I got this, like, how do you say, kidney, a small, like, rock or stone in the kidney. I don't know how you say it in English. And it was like hell. Really painful. I went to the emergency at the hospital. It was not that fun. I was laying on the floor because I had so much pain. And then I learned you have to hydrate. You have to drink water X amount every day. I don't know, maybe like 3 liters per day. I don't know how many gallons that is, but yeah, you should do it. You should do it. Do it, do it, do it. Okay. So now we should go for the target position. Yeah. Yeah. So first is the current one. And then we will create that tween. Optional, connect a signal to know when the movement is finished. Yeah. Shouldn't we always do that? I think it's good to know when it's finished. Because otherwise, how would we know if it's finished? Maybe it's never finished. Maybe it's colliding with some other object and then like keep on in a loop or something. I don't know. So okay. So target position, the current X, current Y, and the target C set. So the target set. Okay. Where did I assign the target set position? Or is it something we're just gonna do? I think it's something we're gonna do. I just think it's something we're gonna do. So I don't know if I'm not logged in, but maybe we can try. I will try to log in. So we can hear some music. Welcome back. Welcome back. So how loud is the... So I need to put on the desktop audio. Maybe like this. I'm sorry if it's like really loud. I don't know. Maybe a little bit like this, maybe? I don't know. Is this good? Probably. It's hard to tell. But I think so. Okay, we got some music. And let's go. So back to the browser. Okay, target position. Okay, var final position. Yeah, so we need to know the current position and the target set, because they already know. Yeah, they already know that the current set axis set position. Okay, that's why. Okay, var final position. Okay. Final position, and that's vector 3. Vector 3. So we have the current x. Could I just go with this? No, I can't. Okay. So it should be global position dot x. Okay. We haven't initialized the global position dot y, right? But maybe we maybe don't need to do that. I don't know. Okay. So global position. Okay. Global position dot set, and then global position dot y, and then target position, right? But yes, like this, I do think. Yeah. So maybe we need this. Because now we get some errors. Okay. Yeah, I think we will get to those in a moment. I don't want to use underscore yet, because we're gonna use them in a bit. So okay, so we have those. The current position set. No, this is not set. Should be x. Yes, x, y, and then set target position. Okay. And then the tween should be tween underscore property. Oh my god. Okay, tween underscore property. Okay. Tween underscore property. Okay. And then it was self something. Why is it global position in citation in those quotes? That's the thing I don't know right now. and I guess I'm gonna have to live with it. Global position, and then was it global position, and then final position. Okay, so final position, and then move duration. Okay, final position, and then move duration, and then this was like that. And then we need set underscore trans tween dot trans sign. Okay, dot set underscore tween, and then trans. Is it because it's a transport or a transform? I don't know. Trans, and then it was tween dot trans tween dot trans trans sine, because it's some kind of sine wave. Dot set underscore ease. Okay, set ease, or is it just set ease? No. Okay, tween dot ease underscore in and out. Okay. Tween dot set in out is in out. Is in out, and then okay, tween is in out. Okay, this was wrong spelled. Tween is in out. Global position of this node. This is equivalent to global underscore transform origin. Okay, but why is it in citation or question mark? Citation quotes. And why does this not work? Expected expression. Okay. Set trans. I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy this line to see if I wrote something wrong. Tween transsign dot set is tween dot is in out. No. So that's correct. Okay. So should I have another tab? Another tab? No. 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 Okay. So how should I do this? So if it's not like this, the move duration, should I take away this citation quotes? No. Strange. This is strange. Expected expression. Dot instead, bro. I don't know, bro. Maybe I have a wrong. Yeah. This slash should be in the opposite direction. Yeah, like this. Okay. So we don't need a tab over here. An extra tab. Okay. Okay, I will save this. Okay, we have the tween, and now we should get the signal. I'm gonna do it like this. Current X and Y pos. And target set. Okay. Okay. Optional connect a signal to know, but do I need to like initialize the signal or something before, or could the signal just go as this? Because it's connect to the signal on movement finished, so this gets assigned like kind of. Okay, I don't know, bro. Let's try. Tween.finished.connect. Finished.connect. And then, is it underscore first? Underscore on movement finished. So why is this underscore first? On movement finished. Okay. Underscore on movement finished. Underscore on movement finished. And then it's not declared in the current scope. Okay. Okay, but yeah, but then it's over here. Yeah. I could trigger something else here, like moving it back. Yeah. Like a loop. Well, I don't know, but let's do a func on move movement finished, and then it's a void Move object back to set. Oh yeah, I will try that. I will make it a loop then. Okay. So then we need a function move objects back to set 0, and then we could do like this, void, and bar tween creates tween. Okay, so we need to like assign or initialize this. Create tween. So now we have created a tween, and then we need the final position as well. Okay. Var final position equals to vector 3. Then we have the global position x, I think, and then global pos dot y, and then do we have the initial position? Yeah, initial position dot set. Yeah. Yeah. Position dot set. Okay. And then then we have tween dot tween underscore property. Tween dot tween underscore property, and then we have self, and then we have, is it the global position dot x? Yeah. No, dot set, right? No, x. Yeah. Was it like, no, it's not like this. Okay, global position, wait, global position, final position, move duration. Okay, so it's basically the same as before. Okay. Global position global position, final position. Oh my god. Okay, final position, and then we have the last one. Okay, we have global position, final position, and then we have the move duration. Move duration, and then we have the backslash in this way, and then we have the dot set underscore trans, and then we had like tween dot trans sign, tween dot tween underscore sign, and then dot set is tween dot is in and out, dot set is dot set is then tween that is in out, or set is and this is a trans sign. Yeah. Okay, trans sign is in and out. Okay. Set trans tween dot trans sign dot set is tween is in and out. Okay. And then we have tween dot finished dot connect. Okay, so we go back to original position, and then it will stay there, or will this get called again? No, I think this will only get called once, right? Yeah. Okay. So if I don't want to print, okay, I don't know. Tween dot finished dot connect. Tween dot finished dot connect, because it's a signal, and then func. Why is it empty? Is it because this is finished? Maybe. Func. So it's empty, and then like this. Only one. Why? And then I print this one. So okay, that's 1 1 1 and then 1. So if I so if I do like this and then like this, tween finished dot connect on movement finished. Okay, connect. Men kan inte bara connecta I can connect to like ready, right? then it go back. I don't know if that's a good. I will create a loop then, I think. Connect. Ready. Okay. I have no idea how this is gonna work. But okay, so we have the move direction, var initial position, vector 3. And this CEO stuff, it's not used, so so I don't know actually how this will work. We will do this. I will try. I will comment these out, and then yeah. Sorry, guys. What happened to the video? That's also a great question, right? Yeah, we get the camera again, I think. Yeah. We lost the camera for a moment, but now it's back. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, we comment those out, the CEO, because I think this will get the right vector anyway. Hopefully. I don't know if I can move this 3D object without. Well, I could. But then. Yeah. So I can't connect it to ready. So but I don't like this funk, and then it like put like print message thing. We could go we could go with this print object moved out, but I don't want to make a string, bro. So okay. Okay, so print object moved like this. Okay. So this I think this is gonna work. This would not like create an error, I think. Yeah, so that was a 3D object. Okay. So maybe we can do, so this is like, okay, so we start with like -10. I think this is the right way. Otherwise we would put the -10 in front of it. Yeah, okay. So the CEO is really fast. So over here we have the global floats, so I could switch this down a bit. The CEO is gonna go a little bit slower. Whoa. Why didn't it move slower? Whoa, it's mostly really... Okay, maybe I'll go with 5. Is it gonna go slower? Yeah, strange. Okay. Hello, CEO. Whoa. Okay, so we have a 3D object that's moving towards the camera. That's great. That's the first. Hello, CEO. Okay. Oh, it comes back. Hello. And then he just stays there. That's great. Okay, so he moves back to initial position. That should be -10. That's fun. Okay. Okay, so it the global... Oh, yeah. The initial position should also be -10. -10. -10. Okay. So here it is, CEO of Unity. You're gonna put monetization on everything, no ads. Okay, and then it will stay there, right? Yeah, he stays there. Okay. All right. So we do have a a game. We have a game. God damn it. Fantastic. Sweet. This is awesome. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this works. Okay. I need to do Duolingo before it gets too late. I need this streak. Okay. Okay, I will start. Okay. Okay. We'll do it like this. Snow. Os. Yay. Okay, and then the next one. Snow. I think this. Snow. And then we have tap the matching pairs. CEO. Me. Sin. Snow. Ste. Yay!
Το σνακ στο σινεμά.
Oh my god. To snacks. To cinema.
Το σνακ στο σινεμά.
To snacks. To cinema. Cinema.
Σινεμά.
The snack at the cinema. To snacks to cinema. Städ. Os.
Ως.
Sin.
Συν.
Sto. Sno.
Σνο.
Sio.
Σίο.
Ba-bing. And then we have what do we have? We have CEO. CEO. CEO.
Σίο.
Ding ding. Okay. He makes a video in Greek. Αυτός κάνει. Αυτός κάνει βίντεο.
Βίντεο.
Hey.
Το βίντεο στο μουσείο.
Το βίντεο.
Το βίντεο στο μουσείο.
Το βίντεο στο μουσείο. The video at the museum. It is the snack. It is the snack. Ooh. This one is hard.
Βάζω. Το.
I think this is wrong. Inne. Yep, inne to snack.
Αυτός κάνει ρύζι.
Okay. He makes rice. Okay. And then we have it is the museum. It is the museum. Bum 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 bum. Can we get this to 5K? I bet we can. Bam 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 bam. Yeah. Oh, 5K. Okay, it is the museum. Είναι το μουσείο. Είναι το μουσείο. Είναι το μουσείο. Είναι το μουσείο.
Σινεμά και μουσείο.
Σινεμά και μουσείο. Σινεμά και μουσείο. Cinema and Eller? Cinema and okay. With it's also with, so it should be and then or at museum. Cinema and museum. Yeah. Cinema και museum. Cinema και museum.
Σινεμά και μουσείο.
Cinema και museo. Cinema και museo. Museo. Cinema και museo. Cinema και museo. The snack with also. Το snack. Το snack με also. Με also. Το snack με also.
Το μουσείο δίσκο.
Το μουσείο δίσκο. Το μουσείο δίσκο. Ba-bing. Bada bing 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 bing. Okay. Now I'm soon finished. Select the correct letters for me. 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 Let's correct the exercise you missed. Okay. It is the snack. Inne to snack. Hey. Hey. I'm freaking the best. We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Another day. Another challenge made. Or finished. Yay. 5-day streak. Oh my god. 5-day streak. Daily quest completed. Yeah. Yep. Oh, yep. I guess I made it. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yay. Okay. Well, we got something made. Done. We made a 3D object to move. That's quite good. So we made this 3D object to move towards the camera. And then he moves back. And then he will stay there for all eternity. Yes, and I also added these buttons before stream. So we did something. This is fantastic. This is so cool. I got a functioning clicker game in the Godot engine. Oh my god. Maybe I will switch to this engine instead of the shitty Unity that always fricks everything up. Okay. Well, nice. So this twin.finish.connect function connect signal to the print message. When finished, like this, yep. Okay, connect signal to the print message when finished. Yep, that's about it. So we have functioning tween, an animation, a 3D we made a 3D object move using the tween method, or how do you say the variable? Yeah, the animation. Okay. Yeah. And then we connect it to So we connect signal to new function and this function calls to a new function that new function, okay. This func makes 3D node move back. Okay, cool. Super cool. Well, that's all, folks. Thank you for watching and have a great day or evening or night or whatever the time zone you're in. For me, it's 12 at midnight, so I got to put like the computer down, shut it down, and stop streaming for today. Yeah, thank you, and see you.